My name is Mike Yurka and I'm a developer for BumpTop for Mac. And today I'm going to show you BumpTop for Mac. BumpTop is a 3D physics-based desktop that replaces your computer's desktop with something that looks more like a real desk. Let me show you how. You can take any item, drag it, move it around, and if you throw it at the walls, it bounces back just like a real item. If you throw it at other items, they also move with physics. BumpTop allows you to organize your information in a more natural and intuitive way. Let me show you how. First of all, you can take any item you want and grow it or shrink it. You can use this to signal the relative importance of different documents. Now in my case, I use Xcode a lot, so I'm going to take my Xcode project and make it large so it's very easy to access. Another thing you can do is you can drag any item up to the walls. You could put photos here or documents that you find important. You don't need to put them just on the back wall too. You can move stuff to the side wall as well. BumpTop integrates completely with macOS 10. So, for example, if you right-click on any item, you see all the same options that you would see as you would in Finder. Now, what I think is one of the most powerful features of BumpTop is the ability to create piles. So I can take any selection of items on my desktop, and with that I can create a pile. So what I've done here is I've taken a bunch of PDF documents on my desktop and put them into one neat tidy pile. Notice how I didn't have to assign this a name, how it's not hidden in a folder, everything is nicely visible. It's a lot better way of organizing things than using folders. Now if I wanted to see the items in this pile, I can double click it and I see this gridded layout. And this shows me all the documents with their file names. I can use my scroll wheel to move through these items. And if I want to see one of the items, I can just double click it to launch it. Now, if you have a messy desk, you might want to let BumpTop organize everything for you. So let's say I wanted to create some order out of all these documents. What I could do is I could right-click on the desktop and click Pile by Type. What BumpTop does is it creates piles that automatically organize everything by their file extension. So as you can see, it's created a pile for all my PDFs, for my folders, for the images, and for miscellaneous documents. Now let's say I don't want that. All I have to do is hit Command-C and it'll undo that action. Finally, another feature of BumpTop that's really useful is the ability to search items on your desktop. At any given moment, you can just type a search phrase like, let's say, resumes, and what you can see is that it's selected the two items that have resume in their name. Finally, if you want to customize BumpTop and make it yours, you can go to Preferences, click on the Backgrounds tab, and what you can see is that you have the ability to customize your wallpapers on your BumpTop desktop. You don't just customize the floor, but you can customize any of the walls and make it any image that you want. So that's BumpTop for Mac. Hope you enjoyed it, and looking forward to hearing all of your comments and suggestions. Thanks.